Alright, this is a very special moment. I am coming to you from our new vlogging camera we got for Courtney. We ended up going with the Canon G7X Mark II. We bought it used. I don't buy new camera equipment anymore because it always depreciates in value so quickly, and this thing is like new. It was in like new shape, and I couldn't tell the difference between this and a new camera. And we saved like 150 bucks, so that works really great. So this is kind of a test, but it's going in the vlog no matter what, especially with the audio. And I'm sure you can hear the fan above me because it's picking up some ambient sound. I heard that was one of the features slash issues with the audio. It just picks up a lot from around you, which depending on where you are, could be a good thing or it could be a really horrible thing. But right now the screen is fully articulated so I can see myself even though I'm looking into the lens and not the screen, because that's what you're supposed to do. So anyway, this is just an initial test. I think it's gonna work out really well.
So we've had some drawer issues pretty much since we bought the Airstream, but they're getting really bad. And it turns out what's happened, and we'll show you in the cupboard because both these drawers are doing it, is that the plastic pieces that hold the drawer rails have broken. And so we've been like kind of keeping them together, doing what we can. We found them on Amazon. So another tiny fix day. We've already fixed the top two, this drawer, and we'll fix the bottom one next. But if you see the top versus the bottom, especially on this side, you can see how all these plastic pieces broke. And so we're just replacing them with nice new ones. Of course, it would have been nice to not have plastic, but we couldn't find them in non-plastic, so what are you gonna do? At least now our drawers will open and close again.
Because right now, our drawer is there. It's been there for 2 days.
Yeah, and it's driving me nuts.
I think it's convenient.
Yes, he does. I do not. See, look. Difference between that and that. Yeah. Hi there, handsome.
Hello.
That's a mighty pretty camera you got.
Yeah, look at this camera. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you happy with our new addition?
Yes. Look at how close it focuses. Look, 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 look.
Where's the girl? Hi! Oh, hi! Has Dad been playing with the camera with you? Yes. Hi! 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 Oh, kiss, thank you! Oh, kiss, thank you! Thank you! Yes! Yes! What's that? What's that? I want to say thank you to Lynn for the birthday wishes and my adorable Airstream stitch marker and Airstream stitch marker box. That was really sweet of you. Thanks for thinking of me. Now I need to find a project to use them on.
We have pretty nice viewers, don't we?
We have awesome viewers. You guys rock. Just saying. And the people who leave comments telling us like that they think of us occasionally or that they were doing something and they thought of us, it really does make our day. So thank you for that. And thank you for watching. It's not as bad, but I think I still need a selfie stick. But I don't look like I have like a neck head thing going on. Like my neck is still kind of thin.
You mean a butt chin?
No, I always have a butt chin. But like my neck looks skinny, not like super fat.